So as you can see, I've got the Alpina back. Just driving it back from BM MiniTech, and really happy with it. So first thing that to report is that it was well worth me getting the timing chains done. I'll put a video on the screen now just to show you how much slack was in those chains. Now this has done 138,000 miles, full BMW service history, and they actually said that the block was in as new condition. It was really clean, no oil on it, and it'd obviously been well cared for. So the fact that, you know, it's been well cared for, and at 138,000 miles the chain wasn't rattling, you couldn't hear anything, but it was certainly quite slack. So glad I got that done. Other thing I've had done is the remap, along with the EGR delete, and sort of strange, I guess, because it's the twin turbo. It's definitely quicker than it feels, because you can see by the way the speedo rises, but you don't get that feeling like you do on the single turbo ones, and I've experienced that with the 335Ds against the 330Ds. The 330Ds always seem to have a bit more of a punch. So I'm going to do a couple of pulls. I'm going to do a 6th gear pull from 60 miles an hour, which I'll put on the screen now. And as you can see, it pulls pretty well, to be honest, in 6th gear. It's had a new flywheel. Glad it did, because you can just feel, and the torque's there at low revs, you can just feel it slightly. There's definitely a lot of torque going through there. And then the 4th gear pull, it really likes to rev now. I mean, these engines, the BiTurbos, rev to 5,000 easily anyway, but you know, stick it down into 4th, and from 50-60 miles an hour, again, pulls really well. And now we're going to go and try a standing start. I'm not going to push it too much with the gear changes and stuff, but you'll see from the video that it likes to rev. So here's the standing start. So what else? Trying to think what else it had done. I've obviously put the new interior in. There's still a video to come out on that interior. I had to get the passenger seat coded, or the seat occupancy mat coded out. And there was something else I had done, and I can't even remember what it was at this point. There was so much I had done. Oh, new vacuum lines. Just because I had some errors before on the vacuum circuit, and obviously that is the same. It's for the engine mounts and for the turbo actuators. So while the engine was out, I had the vacuum lines done. So the total bill for timing chain, flywheel, it didn't actually need a clutch. The clutch, they said, had obviously been replaced in the not too distant far past. Only reason I decided to get a flywheel was that we couldn't really tell if that had been done or not. I had a clutch delay valve delete, obviously the EGR delete, stage 1 remap, the seat occupancy sensor was coded out, and obviously a full service as well with that. So total bill was £2,900, which is a bit more than I was planning to spend. And that includes a new DME encoding as well, because the air intake temperature sensor issue that I've had all along was a DME issue. There was a short circuit in the DME, so they had to source another DME and clone that one. So yeah, otherwise the bill would have been closer to about 2,400 for all that. So, yeah, very happy, and yeah, maybe some more videos to come. I must do a draggy video on this one now I've had it done, because I did do some draggy times on this when I had the issues, and I was struggling to get a 0 to 60 time under 9 seconds. So I'm hoping now standard 6.9, hopefully with the remap maybe see a 6.3 or something, so we'll see. Right, that's all for now. I've got another half an hour or so before I get home, and yeah, I can start enjoying the car again. So till the next one, see you later.